Did someone start recording?
Yeah, started.
Yeah, GCP BigQuery wildcard tables. In the last class, we have seen the partition tables and how they are useful for us when there is a lot of data. So today we will see what are wildcard tables. So the wildcard tables, these are nothing but the tables when we union the matched columns. Like if we have lot of tables in the data which have the same name, then we can work on that together in with single query. That is wildcard table. That's nothing but a wildcard table which will enable you to query the multiple tables using the concise SQL statements. This represents a union of all the tables which matches the wildcard expression. And these wildcard tables are available only in the standard SQL and not in the legacy SQL. So when to use the wildcard tables? So the wildcard tables, they are useful when a dataset contains multiple names with the same with same names with same label, and also if they have same schemas, then only we can use the wildcard tables. That these datasets examples are if they have dates in that, then we can use wildcard tables. We can use a single query to get the information from all the tables. So this is the example. There's a public data set in the BigQuery, as Deepika showed already, the NOAA. They have weather data from 1929, each and every day. So the query is, we are getting from 12 years, maximum of the temperature, and that also we are converting it into the Celsius. The data actually contains the temperature in Fahrenheit, and by querying we are converting it into Celsius and getting the data from 1929 to 1940, each and every day the maximum temperature. So that will be a lot of data with single query we can get. So this is the sample of the queries. So the first table, first query, this is like without wildcard table. We have to give here what's happening is we are selecting the table and these columns from that table, max, rounding, and this is the formula to convert into Celsius. And we are creating a Celsius column here. And we are getting month, day, and year from the particular table data. And from there we are selecting 1929, 1930, 1931 data. Also 1940. So this query is getting the data from 4 years. And the condition is this one. Maximum is not equals to this much. So to get the data for 12 years, we have to write this line for 12 years. 12 times it will be like that. So this wildcard, with this wildcard, this is the wildcard parameter. So with this one, we can get the 12 years with this single line. So here the logic is same. We are getting the same columns here, and the where condition is also same. But look at the from statement here. We are giving the table names individually. Here with single line we are getting. See the GSOD 19 star. Here we have to give 1929, 1930, 1931. So in general SQL, this quality is not available. This is a benefit of the BigQuery.
So
So
Mahika,
this is,
one question.
yes.
So when we give the asterisk there, it means like we will get 12 years of data, or like how that will work?
See here the condition we gave 29 to 40.
Oh, okay. Okay.
12
That will get
years.
12 years in it. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah, got it.
So this is the syntax. Select from project ID, dataset ID, and table prefix, and the wildcard character, the star. And one other important thing is these are not codes, these are backticks. These are important. Without that, we will get errors in BigQuery. So the project ID, we can give our own project or the cloud platform project ID. And we know this format, right? BigQuery dataset ID and the table prefix. Whatever is matching, like suppose if there are multiple tables with the name account, we can say account star like that. And the star is the wildcard character. We have to give that star. So this is the format. Yeah, there are few limitations for the wildcard tables. So the wildcard table functionally it doesn't support views. If the wildcard table matches any view in the data set, the query will return error. So the views concept, I think you guys have an idea about that views. So that concept is not supported by wildcard tables. Currently, the cached results are not supported. And also the external table, we cannot use on the external tables. The wildcard tables, they doesn't work on the external tables. And the queries with the DML, data manipulation language, they doesn't uh, support this wildcard table also. We cannot set up the target as the from the wildcard table to modify the data. And this is not supported if the protection code is for CMEK. If the customers are if they prefer this type of protection, then the wildcard tables are not supported. So I'll show how it will do. It was kind of similar to what Deepika has showed. Let's go to the Glucose console. Go to the BigQuery. So I have the code without the similar thing what we have seen. So we know what we are querying here, right? So the condition is we are getting these these 5 columns, and also creating new columns LCS with this formula. We are changing the Fahrenheit to the Celsius and selecting from these four 4 years. So the 5 columns, what we have given, we have got that, and these are available records for our query. It's kind of similar to the wildcard code as well, but yes, the simplicity is more with that. So these are the number of available records from all the tables, the specified condition. It took 3.3 seconds. This one was faster because only 4 tables we have given. See these details when we queried with wildcards and without wildcards. Yeah, just wanted to show the difference. And I have a question for you. So what is wrong with this following query? Any guesses? Set the condition syntax is incorrect. Wildcard convention is not proper. Inverted commas are missing. Update cannot be performed on wildcard tables.
Might be the last one. D.
Yeah. D? Yeah, that's correct. We cannot update through the wildcard
Yeah.
tables. Yeah, the DML functions are not supported.
Why?
The wildcard tables, they doesn't support modifications because
These are
it's
viewing purpose, right?
I
pardon?
think the update has to be, it has to go on specific table and not because we have
Yeah,
given the range
that,
of
that's
tables, right?
yeah, that's
Yeah.
correct.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you all.